Case number 5, Meniere's disease, Martin Ayungo versus Beamko Shipmanagement Corporation, Eagle Maritime, Raz Fizzi, and Juanito J. Salvatierna Jr., GR number 203161, February 26, 2014, 2nd Division per Justice Perlas-Bernabe. Facts in this case: Ayungo worked as chief engineer for the vessel MV World Star. In his medical checkup, he revealed he had diabetes mellitus, but did not reveal he also has hypertension. In the morning of March 15, 2008, Ayungo suddenly lost his sense of hearing while on duty in the engine room, and only heard a continuous ringing noise. But since the vessel was about to reach Yokohama, Japan, he continued to work until 8 in the evening that day. After 3 hours, Ayungo woke up and felt his surroundings were spinning. Then he vomited and lost consciousness. He was later found by a fellow seaman lying on the floor. When he was repatriated to the Philippines, he was diagnosed with Meniere's disease, or endolymphatic hydrops, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and coronary artery disease. He filed a claim for permanent total disability. The labor arbiter ruled for Ayungo. The National Labor Relations Commission affirmed the labor arbiter, and when the appeal reached the Court of Appeals, the CA or the Court of Appeals reversed the NLRC. The issue here is whether Ayungo's disease is compensable. The Supreme Court ruled no. Ayungo's non-disclosure of his hypertension constitutes fraudulent misrepresentation, which, pursuant to Section 20E of the 2000 POAA SEC, Philippine Overseas Employment Administration Standard Employment Contract, disqualifies him from claiming any disability from his employer. So, he could have argued that Meniere's disease was contributed or aggravated by his employment, but the fact that he lied negated his legal claim. The lesson in this case is don't lie. The Meniere's disease could have been connected to his hypertension, which he could argue was aggravated by his employment. Now, jurisprudence has already established that hypertension is work-related. It is my humble submission that he could have connected, through the use of expert testimony by his physician, that his Meniere's was caused by his hypertension. But the fact of lying constitutes fraudulent misrepresentation, which negated his claim. Section 32A 20 of 2000 POAA SEC provides hypertension is classified as a primary or essential, is considered hypercompensable if it causes impairment of function of body organs like kidneys, heart, eyes, and brain, resulting in permanent disability. And there are documents that substantiate said findings, such as chest X-ray report, ECG report, blood chemistry report, fundoscopy report, and CT scan. The problem with Ayungo was that he failed to meet the aforesaid requirements. While jurisprudence has established that hypertension is work-related, Ayungo never presented evidence to prove his hypertension in the first place. The unauthorized use or reproduction of this work will be prosecuted under the Intellectual Property Code and other laws.